Here's my experience on United Express, and you may want to wait till the end to see exactly what happened. This was definitely a first time for me. These are the smaller planes they usually operate on United. They're 50, 60 seaters. You usually have to check your bags at the gate, which is all fine. They're also known for small bathrooms. You can barely stand up. But then we weren't moving. The gate crew was out there. Bags were all out there. I'm like, this can't be good. We were at the gate for about 20 minutes or so, just kind of waiting around. And then even the pilot came out, which can't be good. And we sat around for a while, and then the flight attendant even came and gave us some water, and then this happened.
So at the moment, they are unable to pull us back into the gate because their tug is not designed to pull, but only to push. And we cannot fire up the engines to taxi out because our jet blast will damage the buildings in the back of our plane. So again, I am speechless. Never had this happening to me before. I'm sorry you have to experience this with me today. We're trying to get a word with a supervisor, and we're trying to figure out how to move the plane from this position, and we'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible as soon as we come up with a possible solution.
So we sat there for about 45 minutes, and eventually I looked at this nice magazine, and then eventually the plane just turned their engines on. I hope it didn't damage anything at the airport there. This was only about an hour flight, so it wasn't so bad. We were on our way, but you can see the building and the fence there that we were behind, and off we went. An interesting one to say the least. The pilot said to me afterwards, I talked to him, he said, what a crazy experience. But you never know what happens when you're going to fly. Please like and subscribe.